Good evening everyone. Here are 10 essential rules of etiquette. Number 1. Respect others' privacy. Don't share personal information or private conversation without permission. Number 2. Use proper language. Avoid offensive language, slurs, and overly casual slang unless appropriate for the setting. Number 3. Be mindful of tone. It's easy for tone to be misinterpreted online, so be clear and avoid sounding rude or condescending. Number 4. Don't spam. Avoid sending unsolicited emails, message, or content. Respect people inboxes and times. Number 5. Think before you post. Consider how your post might affect others. One sometimes is online, it can be hard to remove. Number 6. Give credit. Always credit others for their work, whether it's good at a link or an image. Number 7. Be inclusive. Be respectful of people from all backgrounds and be mindful of deserved viewpoints. Number 8. Use correct grammar and spelling. While informal writing is okay in some cases, clarity is important, especially in professional or formal settings. Number 9. Respond promptly. When possible, reply to small emails, messages, or comments in a timely manner to show you value communication. Number 10. Avoid all caps. Writing in all capital letters and letters can seem like something else, being perceived as rude.